Okay, so today I decided I'm gonna play some Donkey Kong. I did try to play another game. It was Dig Dug. I used to play that game as a kid, and I was like, oh, this will be nostalgic because I can play this and recall my memory of being a child again. So that didn't happen because for some reason I didn't even know how to use the the computer to play correctly. For some weird reason, it just did not work. I knew how to go up and down and side to side, but I don't know. I couldn't play the game. So I successfully decided to play Donkey Kong. I did try to play this earlier. Not the best. I haven't successfully got to the top. My score probably was pretty bad. It was probably a 0, actually. As you can see here, you have your scores up here. Your characters are going to be King Kong, Prince Peach, and Mario. So the objective is to go up the ladders in these beams and try to save the princess. But I have been bulldozed by a whole bunch of barrels, so I have not been able to successfully master this. It's weird, you really can't hear the music right now. Which... Okay, there we go. Thought I was playing for a second. As you can tell, it sounds so pixelated. The music goes with like... See, like, they make the barriers, the barrels go faster than the character moving, and it just doesn't work that way. Oh, so I guess, like, after they hit the ground, they, oh my goodness. That one was crazy. No! See, and they should let you jump over them, but they don't. I wonder how you get the bonus. And sometimes you'll be on the ladder, and they just, like, throw. See, like, it lags. I really don't like this game. I don't like the 80s games compared to nowadays. I feel like there's more mobility. And the music too. Like, this just sounds like a broken keyboard almost. But hey, it was the times. It's pretty interesting, you know, seeing how things progress over the years. Definitely prefer nowadays video games. Because I feel like this is just laggy. It's not, it's very like basic graphics too. Alright, I'm trying one more time. As you can tell, I still have a 0 score. I think all I can use here is up and down. And... yeah. Not my favorite. But that is Donkey Kong for you. Made in Japan, 1981. I really don't dig the graphics or the music, and I feel like it's just impossible to win this game. Yes, absolutely. Well, I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.